Hey there, financial friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday money moves to make your life easier. Today's topic is all about transferring money from your SoFi account to another bank. If you're a SoFi user looking to move funds quickly and securely, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it with confidence. First things first, why would you want to transfer money from SoFi? Maybe you're building an emergency fund in a different account, paying bills, or just diversifying your banking. SoFi makes this super simple with their user-friendly app or website. Before we dive in, make sure you have your SoFi login details handy and that your external bank account is already linked. If not, you'll need to do that first through the Accounts or Transfers section. Let's get to the steps. Step 1. Log into your SoFi account via the mobile app or website. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfer or Move Money tab. It's usually right on the dashboard for easy access. Step 2. Select the account you want to transfer from. This will be your SoFi checking or savings account. Then, choose the external bank account as your destination. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes. We all know how fast money can fly. Step 4. Review the details. SoFi will show you a summary, including any potential fees or processing times. Speaking of which, most transfers are free and can take 1 to 3 business days, depending on your banks. If it's a same-day transfer, keep an eye out for any limits. Finally, hit Confirm, and you're done. You'll get a confirmation email or notification to track the transfer. A quick tip: always verify your external account details to prevent any hiccups, and consider transferring during off-peak hours to speed things up. If you run into issues, SoFi's customer support is top-notch and available 24/7. There you have it. Transferring money from SoFi is a breeze. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.